Yes.
So I would like to see it because I would like to understand how to say the root cause in the code, okay? And not only how to say at a high level, okay? I need to go to the low level to understand what is exactly happening and where is the race condition, okay? That's my point, and I think everything is controlled by this one, okay? Now, the second point. So here I think internet access status, it should be 0 or 1, right? It's either 0, 1, 0, 1. I would say 0, 1 here as well. And the thing is that what I was saying here, when you say it's I1, what does it mean I1? Is that we start to create a network or not here? Update, yes. Update IP config.
Yeah, this is just updated IP configuration.
Okay, but we do not create a network here. Right?
Yes, right.
Okay, then you say we update the modem status, receive from TCU. Here, M1, that means that internet access status is already 1, right? The value is 1 here. Otherwise, we will not create M1, or not. What is M1?
M1 is more like we got some message from the AOSP. I see in the status we don't internet connect is not
okay,
fully
so
fully established yet. Yes.
Okay, so here it's 0. Okay. So we do not create a network here. Okay.
Yes.
There is no
I mean it's not. We do not. I mean we have to create the internet established. In that status we did not have. We don't have the internet connect yet.
Yes, so we do nothing, okay?
Yes.
Normally.
But right.
What I see in the code, and I will show you, this is what I want to show to you, is that, okay, we do not create anything, but we will remove the interface. We will go to the OEM 010 and we will say remove interface, okay? Because as in the code, each time we have internet access status set to 0, I will show you what I saw. You see here, here it is a resume, okay? The race condition occurs when we are resuming from suspend, okay? In all the trials I did since yesterday, all what I see is that we are resuming from suspend, meaning that the context before was cleaned, we go to sleep, okay? We get out of sleep, and the first thing we receive is this one. Okay, we have this get modem status response message, okay? Okay. We have internet access status set to 0, okay? So we don't have anything to deal with internet. The only thing where we deal with internet is that we have this IP configuration. So let me rephrase what you're saying. So the internet IP configuration is just staying in the 1. And even it's whether it's the internet disconnected or not, but you can see the IP configure is the stay in the 1. The internet connected is switch to the 0 and 1, 0 and 1 like repeatedly. Yeah. And what I see here is that we are already starting to touch the OEM 0 interface. Yeah. Okay. Meaning that in the code, we are not decorrelating the case where we are going, where we are getting from a clean state. When I mean a clean state, meaning we are booting, okay? We are getting from suspend, so everything is clean, and we know already the interface OEM 010 is already down, okay? For me, we should not go through this code, at least to make it clean. Right. When we are getting out of suspend, we should not touch the OEM 010 interface, okay? And if you look at the code, and I'm going here to show you that it's in the check telematics conditions, because this function is called each time we are receiving a message, okay? If you look at the code, you will see that unconditionally, whatever the modem status value we are receiving, either we have a GSM data mode, meaning vNext, okay, and then we check the internet status. If the internet status is 0, systematically remove the interface OEM 010. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Systematically. for me, this is not clean because when you are getting from suspend, it's already down. So we don't keep a state of the OEM010 interface here. You see my point?
Yeah, I understand.
Normally, when we are getting from suspend exit,
yeah,
meaning in the function which is resume IVC, okay, I can show you that function, but you know it, you know the function that we moved some time ago because of the garage mode and so on, okay? There is a function that establishes the link. Normally, the OEM010 interface, it's already down. Why? At the beginning, we go and we call remove interface and so on, okay? And same here. When we have nothing, why we remove an interface which is already down? You see? So at least, I think this is something that could be cleaned. Okay, this is the first the very first remark. Okay, the second one. Now, if I go back to the code, is that here you have, for me, 3 messages. You have internet status 0, then getting IP configuration. Then right after that, you are getting internet status going to 1. Okay, so from this point, what is happening is that we go and we create the network.
Yeah.
We start the provisioning, we create the network and so on. And then internet status keeps 1.
Yes.
Okay, it's not I would say switching between 1 and 0, 1 and 0, but for some reason, okay, we restart provisioning again.
Yes.
Because and we disconnect here. Okay, we have a removing network agent, and I do not understand why we are removing this one, and this is what I want to understand.
Okay. Yeah.
We should never remove this network.
Yes.
And this is why, and given all this, I'd say what I showed to you, what I want to see here is the content of the messages, okay, and the functions that we are calling, so that we understand why the flags are getting reset. If we have something ongoing, okay, I understand. If we are getting, I would say, if we are getting a first network, and then we are creating a second one. So yes, there is an exception, because we cannot create a network while a network was not down fully, or while a network is getting up or ongoing to be up. Okay?
Right.
So that's okay. But in our case here, we are not getting a double creation for me. We are just having a creation of a network, okay? And then this one is getting disappearing, and we recreate it, it disappears, we recreate it, and so on, okay? This is what I want to see detailed. I think you understood what is going wrong, okay? But I think we should write it in more technical details, okay? So here, this description is okay for me, okay?
Okay.
But at some point, I need to see that in a more detailed flow.
Yes.
So that we better understand and we better assess what we have to do.
Yeah, okay. I fully understand what your analysis and what you want to see something additional technical point of like checking the related property changed within the flow.
Exactly.
Yes. Exactly. Yeah, I understand what your concern. And then I think that I prepared one more slide, which might be the candidate of the new patch. But I think people want this one. I think you are point out not this point, more like the logic we applied on the update the latest message, which ignored the previous one. So this one is also might be the problem. But I only have 3 minutes because I need to prepare the steering committee within 10 minutes. But let me quickly introduce our patch.
Go ahead.
Yeah, could
you
apply?
Please.
Yeah. So
you can share.
Yes. So let me start with this point. So
you need to share screen.
Sorry, I need to share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, it's coming.
Yes. So yesterday I shared this slide that we added one more logic, which when some exception callback is from the IOSP, we have changed our flag internet connect flag as the first to the handling this callback. But we thought as we code review with this one, it might occur the loop to the internet connect and disconnect again and again. So we need to we thought this might be the no need to the remain. So the patch is remove this logic to just let the callback as a normally, like the no change on the internet flag property.
Okay, so the is internet app flag will not be used, right?
Yes, this one. Yeah, this logic will removed with this patch. But this is the patch we are prepared. But as I mentioned, we need to document that sharing the more technically about especially the property change during some flow about the internet connection. That would be very helpful to understand the situation we have. So I will share this document to you guys after the steering committee. This seems very tight schedule, but please considering this patch we have, and then we would share some additional technical review after that.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for your explanation about your analysis. Yeah, it would be very helpful.
I don't know if my analysis will help you, but what I'm saying is that, you know, this is the way I want to understand things, okay?
Right, yeah,
honestly,
we fully understand.
The thing is that, you know, I have some background about this connectivity code. I know you are the expert, okay, of that. But something is that I know a little bit more the IVC. I know there are some content, and you already saw that I raised some bugs on my setup that nobody else raised, okay? Because I'm seeing that on my one. So I need to understand, and we need to ensure that everything is good.
Okay.
The other point I wanted to show to you is that where I'm having some confusion about the code, okay, is that I will show you also from where some confusions are coming, okay?
I think it's time's up for me. I need to move to that. So I think it would be better to after the steering meeting, I will share this document to you, and then you might be reply this email about your concern and then your explanation. That might be very helpful to the progress.
Okay, so let me just finish by one thing. You know, I'd say instead of maybe keeping just one sync per day, okay. What I propose to you is we initiate an email thread, okay, you and me, maybe without, I'd say, looping, just a technical.
Yes,
thread,
right.
Okay?
Yeah, that might be very helpful. Yes, understand.
I just with you only the technical discussion, okay?
Okay, cool.
I don't want to go through the escalation path and so on. There are some people that
are,
I would say, very good to manage that. So I want to discuss. Technically, I want to discuss about the code. So put everybody you want to discuss the content of the code and the sequence and what is happening. Okay.
Yes.
Then we can continue discussing by email, and feel free to put whatever you want. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll keep that between us just to discuss the content. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Of course. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. See you next week. Yeah. I will share the email after the steering committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.